In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add subscribers or contacts in Mailchimp from VideoAsk form response. So VideoAsk is an application that allows you to record your question in the form of video and post it to get audience's answers. So let's say you want every time you receive a new form response on VideoAsk, the person who has made comment should be added as a subscriber or contact in Mailchimp so that they can be further roped in for email marketing. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add subscriber in Mailchimp from VideoAsk form response, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write VideoAsk to Mailchimp. Create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made, and action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a new response is received from VideoAsk, the action can be add that user as a subscriber or contact in Mailchimp. So let us begin and select VideoAsk as a trigger application. Now for the trigger event, we will select new response. It triggers when somebody responds to a video. All right, connect, add new connection and connect with VideoAsk. And now since I was already logged into my VideoAsk account, I will not have to give any credentials here. I will just give the permission and you will see authorization successful. So now here in the forms in VideoAsk, I've just created one form, that is PC Google Contacts, like I'll show you here. So now on the left hand side, you will see this form here, this PC Google Contacts here. In case you have several forms here, so it will show you here in the drop down in Pabbly and you can select from the drop down. All right. And since I just have one form, it has auto fetched this directly. So now let us just click on save and send test request. And you will see it is waiting for a response now. So what we are going to do is we'll quickly go to VideoAsk and then do a test submission. So to check if we have integrated VideoAsk with Pabbly. All right. So let us go to VideoAsk. You can see this. I want response on this PC Google Contacts form. This is the one, this video that I've created here. So I'm just going to click here. So on the top now you will see here share and embed option. And now it will show you the URL here. So basically this is my video and this is the form here that I want answer. All right. Now from the left, I'll go to URL and you will see the video is playing, the video where I have asked the question. So this is the question here. Was this video helpful? So either yes or no. So let us go with yes here. And now it will ask you for the name. So I'm just going to write remote testing. Since this is just for testing purpose, I'm using such names. So now I'll give the email as remo@pabblytudes.com and I'll just click on send answer and you will see the response has been submitted here. Now let me take you to Pabbly Connect and see if Pabbly is able to capture the response. And yes, you can see Pabbly has successfully captured the response. You can see the form title here, that is PC Google Contacts. If you will further scroll down, you will see more details. you will see the person who has submitted the form, who has submitted the reply here, that is Remo testing. Then their email address is here, like you can see. And if you will further scroll down, you will also see the answer here that the person has submitted. You can see it was yes. So we have successfully received the response, and that shows we have successfully integrated our VideoAsk with Pabbly. Now on to our next step, which is our action step. So here we are going to select Mailchimp as our action application. For the action event, we will select add new member with custom fields. So what we want here is, we want every time a response is received here in VideoAsk, so the person who has submitted their response should be added as a member, as a subscriber here in Mailchimp. So let us connect, add new connection, and now it needs various fields like token and data center. So let us first take a look at what data center is. For that, we are going to read the help text below. Enter the data center example US19, US19, which appears as a subdomain in your Mailchimp account URL. Alright, so for that, we will have to go to our Mailchimp and then check the URL. And from the URL, this US with 2 digits, this US and then 2-digit code is going to be a data center. So this is my Mailchimp. Here you can see I'm on the dashboard. On the top URL, I will see here, this is US17, that is US17. So the US and the 2 digits, this is going to be my data center, like it is written here in the example. All right. Now let's see how we can get the token. So here in the help text, it's written that we will have to first click on the profile picture, then profile extras API keys. All right. Follow me as we follow this path. So this is the Mailchimp. Now straight away on the left bottom side, you will see the user profile picture, and click on that. You will see the profile option in the menu. Just click there. On the top, you will see the menu with options like overview, settings, billing, extra, integration, and shop new plans. So we will go to extras drop down, and from the drop down, we will select API keys. And if we see, you will see there is no API, no active API key as of yet. So I'm just going to click on create a key. And if you scroll down, you will see it has created this API key for me. This is the key here. So we are going to copy this, come back to Pabbly and paste the token key here. Now let us just save. And now it needs few details here. So it says to choose audience list. Since I only have just one list, this is Pabbly Tudes. So I'm going to go with this list. In case you have multiple, you can select from the drop down. All right, now it needs email address. So for that, we will map from VideoAsk. If I search using email, you will find it right here. But before we map in this email address, you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting these details, these VideoAsk details here from? So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated VideoAsk with Pabbly, did a test submission, replied to a question on PC Google Contacts form, and Pabbly captured the answer, all the details, and showed here. So Pabbly has brought exactly same response here in the Mailchimp step, and that's how we are going to map. So let us map email address from here, and I'll search using email for quick results, and you will find it here, remo@pabblytudes. So this is the email address. Tags, I'm going to omit it for now. Now here you will have to select the status of the subscriber. You can see various: subscribed, unsubscribed, cleaned, pending, and transactional. I would like to go with subscribed for now. Address, birthday, since they are not mandatory, I'm going to leave it. Now it needs first name. So again, we are going to take first name from here, from VideoAsk. So let us search using the name. For quick results, you will find the name here, Remo testing. However, here it is showing VideoAsk response is showing the full name. But here in the Mailchimp, it needs first name and last name separately. So what are we going to do here? We are going to just scroll above, add an action step, and using text formatter, we are going to split the first and last name. All right. So I'm going to take split text as the action event. Connect. All right. Now it needs text to split. So that we are going to take from here. Let us search using name. Okay. Remo testing. So now what we want is we want first name, that is Remo, and second name, last name, sorry, that is testing, as separate names in two different parts. All right. So here what we are going to use in separator is, in case you have any special characters, you can give that. All right. In our case, there is no such special character. We have space. We have to divide the name here from space. So for space as a separator, we will have to use these curly brackets with space written there. All right. So this space is going to separate the name right from here. It's going to split the name right from here. All right. For the segment index, I'm going to select all. Why? Because I need both these names separately. So let me click on save and send test request. And you will see it has separated the name from space here. You will see first name and last name. And now these are the names that we are going to use in our Mailchimp step. All right. Now let us quickly reconnect Mailchimp. Why? Because we added this step in between where we splitted the name. So to get the updated result here in the Mailchimp section, we will have to reconnect. Since we have already added a new connection earlier, this time we are going to go with existing connection. Okay, email address we had already given, status we had given. Now comes the first name. So that we are going to take from text formatter step. Here is the first name. Last name I'll show you. Again, we'll take it from here. So now I want this person to be added as a subscriber, added as a member here in Mailchimp. All right. So now what we are going to do is we are going to quickly click on save and send test request to see if this person has been added in our Mailchimp. But before we do that, just one quick thing I would like to tell you about mapping. You can see these mapped in fields here. The first name, last name, then the email address. So these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is the next time any user submits a response, any person submits a response here in VideoAsk, Pabbly captures the response. Here in the Mailchimp, these mapped in fields like email address, first name and last name will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to do it manually. Now before we add this person as a contact there in Mailchimp, let me quickly give you a glimpse of my contact list here in Mailchimp. So I'll go to left hand side, you can see audience, I'll go to all contacts and it will show the contacts that I have already in Mailchimp. These are the 3 you can see. All right. So now I want that Remo should also be added here in this list. Okay. So we are back to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response here. You will see the ID has been generated. Then the email address is here. Then unique email ID is there. Then full name is here and the status is subscribed as we had selected. Now let us go to Mailchimp contacts and see this person has been added there or not. And this was my list, audience list. I'm just going to refresh it quickly. And you will see here Remo at Pabblitudes. This is the email address. This is the first name Remo, last name testing. This person has been successfully added as a member, as a contact here in Mailchimp with subscribed status here like you can see. So this means we have successfully integrated our Mailchimp and VideoAsk using Pabbly Connect. Not only this guys, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. For any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com. Our team will definitely answer your queries. You can also visit our website on www.pabbly.com/connect. For latest updates, you can also join our Facebook group. Share this video with your friends and help them automate their businesses.